Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is the reading for your next 24 hours, Leos. So, this is a special reading. We'll be picking cards for your general energies, your relationship, and career circumstances. So, these are for your general energies, Leos. This card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Leos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first, Leos. So we have Five of Stars in reverse, Astronomer of Spheres in reverse, and Master of Moons. So in your circumstances, Leos, in your work or in your relationship, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, a brilliant person, confident about your skills and talents, and you inspire people. You have a lot of skills, you are a very friendly person, and there are people coming to you asking your advice or asking you to give them guidance on certain things because you have a lot of experience and you are a very kind person and you are someone in an important position today. And you are a very friendly person. You, because of your position, maybe your position in your career or your position in your personal life, a senior member of the family or an important member of your family, you hold a lot of responsibilities, and that may be the reason people love your experience, your talents and ideas, and they are here to get your guidance and support in certain problems or in certain circumstances. And also, Leos, you are a very wise person. You have a lot of experience and you know what will work, what will be the right choice in any situation. And you know how to deal with any situation. Maybe you are facing some difficulties. It may be in your work, you may have a lot of confusing circumstances. Something is not clear, something you need to work on. You may have a lot of problems, but you will have a clear intuition what will help or what will be the right thing. Your intuition is guiding you. And maybe there are people whom you thought as friends and family members, but these people are not really good towards you. Their good intentions are not there anymore. So it may be someone you consider very important in your life. Maybe you trust this person, maybe you rely on them for certain things, but their intentions are not good. So you need to be a little careful with them. And also, you need to take care of yourself. Maybe there may be some health related issues you may have. So you need to look after yourself, take better care of yourself today. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's the Papas. So with this person in this connection, you have a very deep bond. This person is someone really good, kind and compassionate. They love you, they are truly concerned with your welfare, and they are truly an inspiring person. So the just like the energy we had with the previous cards, maybe they are really good, they are kind and compassionate. And in your life, there may be people who are jealous of this person just because you are with them or just because they are here with you. There may be people who are very jealous, who are jealous because this person is a very friendly person, kind, loving, caring, and they are showing care and attention to you, respecting your ideas and vision, and you both share a beautiful bond. So you may have people who are really jealous of your love. So you need to be a little careful. Be careful about your relationship. You must not talk about this person to anyone, not reveal about them to anyone. Maybe you should give this relationship a little more time and see where things are going. It is better you do not discuss about your relationship with anyone you do not have that trust with, you do not share trust with. Maybe your close friends, well and fine, but other than that, you should not talk to them about this person you love, because this person is someone truly good, someone really honest, reliable, and it may be just like a dream come true for you in this connection. You feel that level of connection, that level of bond with this person. You both may have mutual love, respect, and caring, but there are people who are jealous of your relationship, jealous of this connection, and they are working against this love, working to separate you both. So you must be very careful. You must be very careful today, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Abbess of Stars in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you need to be a little careful. You need to see where things are going, what will be the right choice, and what you need to do today. You must think and decide before you make any important decisions today in your work. You must take your own time, do things with clarity. That is going to help you avoid some difficult circumstances in your career. So that is the energy with these cards for you all for the special reading today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for more videos, Leos. Thank you guys. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.